Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here again, your mom cat, para tulungan kayo sa module nyo. So today, we're going to discuss on how to solve routine and non-routine problems using data presented in a pie graph. So last week, we had on how to construct a pie graph. Ngayon naman, paano natin isa-solve o paano natin sasagutan ng mga questions tungkol sa isang pie graph or sa mga data na nasa pie graph. Let's have an example in your learner's packet. Mr. Reyes, a school principal, conducted a survey on where they would most like to go on a field trip. The choices he gave them were Museo Pambata, National Museum, Oceanarium, Science Centrum, and Avalon Zoo. All 360 pupils cast one vote each. So, nagbotohan kung saan gusto mag-field trip ng mga bata. So, kung saan yung itinerary or destinations. So, ito yung mga lumabas sa kinandak na survey ng principal. So, we have here, Avalon Zoo, 90 students ang bumoto, and that is equivalent to 1/4 or 25% nung kabuang bilang ng mga bata. And sa pie graph natin, ito ay 90 degree. Next is Oceanarium. So, Oceanarium, 180 students ang bumoto. That is 1/2 o kalahati, 50%, kalahati ng kabuuan na 360. And that is equivalent to 180 degrees in our pie graph. So, semicircle. And Science Centrum, so we have 36 students. That is 1/10 or 10% of the total, which is the total 360 or 360. Sa pie graph, ito ay 36 degree lamang. Sa Museo Pambata, 45 students ang bumoto. Ito ay 1/8 or 12.5% ng kabuuan, and that is 45 degrees. Sa National Museum, 9 ang bumoto, and that is 2.5%. and 9 degrees. So kapag tinotal, ilan ang total ng batang bumoto? 360. So ngayon, ito yung mga questions tungkol dito. At ito yung pie graph. Destination liked by the students. So yung yellow, Avalon. Yung green ay Museum Pambata. And red is National Museum. At itong isa, ito palang medyo parang blue, Science Centrum. Itong medyo gray ay Oceanarium, yung pinakamalaki. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung region ng ating pie graph, dapat sakto yung paggawa nyo ng circle graph. Hindi pwedeng mas lumaki pa yung portion ng Avalon Zoo kaysa sa Oceanarium. Sa data natin, 180 yung Oceanarium. So, dapat tama ang construction ng ating circle graph. So, now let's answer some questions. Which field trip destination got the highest percentage of votes? So, alin ba yung nakakuha na may pinakamalaking vote? So, kahit hindi natin alam yung percentage, basta tingnan nyo yung inyong circle graph, alam nyo agad kung alin na nakakuha ng malaking boto, malaking percentage. And that is Oceanarium. It got the highest percentage vote, which got 50% of the total pupils based on the data percentage. Siyempre, pinakamadaming boto, Oceanarium. 180 kalahati, which is 50%. Question number 2. What percentage of pupils love to go to Avalon Zoo? So, ito yung Avalon Zoo. Ang tinatanong, ilang percent daw ba ng kabuuan yung bumoto sa Avalon Zoo? So para makuha natin yung percentage, we have 90 yung bumoto divided by yung total lang bata times 100, and that is equal to 25%. So kapag nakita nyo 25%, 1/4 siya ng graph. So 1/4 ng graph, 90 degrees. So what percentage? That is 25%. Question number 3, how many times as many pupils love to go to Oceanarium compared to those who wants to go to Avalon Zoo? So ito yung may gusto ng Oceanarium, 180. At ito naman yung may gusto ng Avalon Zoo, 90. Kung ikukumpara natin silang dalawa, paano mo siya, ilang beses ang dami or how many times na mas malaki yung Oceanarium kaysa sa Avalon Zoo, yung boto. So get both data of pupils wants to go to Oceanarium. Yung Oceanarium gusto niya ay 1/2 ng bilang ng mga bata or 50% or 180. And the pupils who wants to go to Avalon Zoo is 1/4 or 25% or 90. So alin man dyan ay pwede natin gamitin. So gamitin natin yung bilang. That is 180 divided by 19, that is equal to 2. So meaning, twice the number of pupils love to go to Oceanarium compared to the Avalon Zoo. So kung mapapansin nyo naman, yung bilang ng Oceanarium na bumoto, doble kumpara sa bilang na bumoto sa Avalon Zoo. So that's how we answer these questions about these data. And lastly, what percentage of the pupil survey wants to go to Science Centrum? So ito yung Science Centrum, 36 yung bumoto. Ilan daw yung percentage? Paano natin kukunin? 36 divided by 360 times 100, and that is equal to 10%. Now let's have the learning task 1 in your learner's packet. Answer each question based on the pie graph below. So here, kung makikita nyo, ang title ng pie graph natin ay Total Profit Earned in Sale. Ano-ano ba yung mga pinanggalingan ng sale? Ito, plates, pots and pans, cooking utensils, glasses, eating utensils, and others. So, dyan ang galing yung mga sales or yung profit na earned. Question 1, which item gave the store about 1/4 of its profit? So, alin daw dito, sabi niya, estimated, alin daw dyan yung halos 1/4 ng tubo. 1/4, halos malapit sa 25%. Number 2, if the profits from eating and cooking utensils were combined, would it be exceeding the profit earned from plates? So kapag daw ba pinag-add natin yung 10% ng eating utensils at saka yung 14% ng cooking utensils, ito daw ba ay lalampas dito sa profit ng plates? And then explain. Number 3, which two kinds of item gave the store half of its total profit? So pag sinabi natin half, 50%. So alin ditong dalawa, alin dalawang sales or alin dalawang profit dito or alin dalawang portion na kapag pinagsama mo ay equivalent to 50% of the total profit. Number 4, if the total profit earned was 45,000 pesos, how much profit was earned from pots and pans? So kung ito daw yung total, 45%, ilan daw or magkano daw yung profit from pots and pans? So i-multiply mo lang ito at itong total profit. And number 5, which 3 categories gave a combined profit that is the same as the earned from the plates? So yung plates natin, 38%. So alin daw dito sa mga natitira na kapag inad mo, alin sa tatlo, pili ka ng tatlong categories dito na kapag pinag-add mo ay equal siya dito sa 38% ng plates. So, tatlo ang pipiliin mo. Alin yung tatlo na pag i-combine mo, pag pinagsama-sama mo yung profit, ay katumbas ng profit ng plates. Okay, these are the questions for this learning task 1. And then let's go to learning task 2. The graph below shows the number of students per grade level enrolled in an art class during summer. So dahil summer, nag-enroll sa art class. So kung meron dito nag-grade 3, and that is 3/20 of the enrollees, grade 4, 1/10, grade 5, 1/5, and grade 6, 11/20. So kung makikita nyo, mas marami yung population ng grade 6. Pero hindi sinabi kung ilan. Ang nilagay lang dito ay yung fractional form, or pwede rin natin i-convert into percentage ito. We can use that. We can simply use the fraction. Now, for question number 1, which grade level had the greatest number of enrollees? What percent of the whole art class is this number? So, ayan, ang tinatanong dito, alin daw yung may pinakamadaming enrollees? So, obviously, kung makikita nyo, ito yung may pinakamaraming enrollees, di ba? At tinatanong, what percent of the whole art class is this number? So, itong 11/20, igagawin mo siyang percent. And that is 11 divided by 20 times 100. So, ganun kadali lang. Question number 2, if there were 20 enrollees, how many grade 4 students enrolled during summer? Kung 20 daw lahat, pag pinagsama-sama yung nag-enroll, ilan daw yung grade 4? So that is simply 20 times 1/10. Question number 3, what percent of the enrollees are not grade 6? So di ba dito sa number 1, kinuha ka muna yung percent kung ilan yung grade 6. So may sagot ka sa 1. Para makuha mo yung sagot sa 3, isusubtract mo lang yung sagot sa 1 sa 100%. And number 4, which two grade levels comprises 1/4 of the total number of enrollees? So dito pa lang, kita nyo na, alin daw yung dalawang grade level na pag pinagsama ay 1/4 ng kabuuang enrollees. Ayan, kita-kita sa graph natin, bumuo ng 90-degree angle. And number 5, suppose that the number of grade 6 students increase, what will happen to each sector in the graph? And what will happen to the sector of the other grade level? So suppose daw na lumaki itong bilang ng grade 6, dumami ang bilang ng grade 6, anong mangyayari kaya dito sa graph natin? So kapag dumami yung bilang ng grade 6, syempre, lalaki din yung portion niya. At yung ibang portion, what will happen to the sector of the other grades level? Diba? Kung dumami yung enrollees nito, nung grade 6, so ano mangyayari dito sa mga matitirang portion? So that's the learning task number 2, and that's in our week 5. If you have any question, you can comment down below in the comment section so that I can answer your question here. Thank you for watching.